God's love surrounds us in every moment. Today, let His word fill our hearts with peace and hope. Welcome to day 4 of our daily dose of scripture. So, nandito ang ating Bible, and ang verse natin for today is Psalm chapter 37, verse 7. Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him. Do not fret when people succeed in their ways, when they carry out their wicked schemes. So, this is a reminder to patiently wait on God in this fast-paced world. Kasi His timing is always perfect, even when the world around us is unfair and chaotic. Psalm chapter 37, verse 7 is an invitation for us to surrender our worries and anxieties to God. It encourages us to trust that He is in control of everything, even when others seem to prosper through unjust means. Kasi if we focus on other successes, lalo na sa may mga na-achieve na mali or madaling paraan, it can lead to envy and dissatisfaction. So God is calling us to a different path. He invites us to rest in His presence and magtiwala ng buo talaga sa Kanya. May God bless you always. Have a great day.